Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narinder and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into a topic that's essential for anyone working with Excel text functions. Specifically, we'll explore concatenate, left, and right functions for text manipulation. These functions can incredibly powerful for streamlining your workflows and saving you time. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now let's get into our topic. First up, let's talk about the concatenate function. This function allows you to combine text from different cells into one cell. It's perfect for creating custom labels, joining names and addresses, or any other scenario where you need to merge text together. So let's see an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. So we have a table with two columns in Excel. First column is first name and second column is last name. We want to create a new column that concatenates these two columns to form a full name. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, we have to enter the data. So here is the dummy data. Let's copy this dummy data into our Excel sheet. We are going to just copy first name and last name. So we are going to get the full name using concatenate function. Let's do this. As you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. Now let's pause for a moment and talk about something crucial. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI Tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools top skill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Alright, back to our example. So here is the formula. Concatenate. Here we are just using double quote. So let's do this. Concatenate. First, we have to select the text one. In this case, John. Then comma. Here we have to give the space. Then double quote, comma, last name. So you can see the full name. So you can just drag this thing down to get the other names also. Next, we have the left function. This handy tool allows you to extract a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. It's great for situations where you need to grab, for example, the few letters of a word or the first part of a code. Let's see an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. So here is the thing. You have a list of full names in a column A, and you want to extract only the first few characters. For example, the first name using the left function. Here is how you can do it. So first of all, let's copy the data. Okay, we are just going to copy the full name, and we are going to get the first few characters. In this example, first name. Okay, as you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. So we'll use this function. Okay, so here this formula extracts first 5 characters or letters from the text in cell A2. Okay, here left, here is the text, and we have to specify the number of characters. So let's specify first 4 characters. Okay, I'm just going to drag this thing down. Okay, as you can see, here we got the first name of all these full names. Okay, and then there is the right function similar to left, but it extracts characters from the end of a text string. So if you need to grab the last few digits of a serial number or the suffix of a file name, right is your go-to function. Now let's see an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. So here's the thing. The right function in Excel extracts a specified number of characters from the right side of a text string. Here is how you can use it with some dummy data. So here is the data. Let's copy this data to our Excel sheet. So we are just going to copy the first column and we are going to generate the second column. Okay. As you can see, we have copied the data to our Excel sheet. So let's do this thing. We are going to work on this formula. Okay. Here, just type right. First of all, we have to select the text. Then we have to enter the number of characters we need from right side. So in this case, I just want 3. I'm just going to drag this thing down. And as you can see, we got the 3 characters from right side. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Also, remember to check out the link in the description for our exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. We'll see you there. Thank you.